everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. My name is Ishita and today I've again got pop art for you. And I think I might be getting a little obsessed with it, but yeah, okay. So today I've got pop art for you and I really hope you guys like it. And if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell icon so you guys will get updated whenever I post a new video. And this is a very easy pop art. So I really hope you guys make it, and if you guys make it, please share it with me on my Instagram channel that I have linked down in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for this video, the material that we will require is a sketchbook. I am using the same A5 size sketchbook, pencil, eraser, brush pens, and finally the acrylic paints and a paintbrush. I'll link down the material in description box below. If you guys want to buy it, you can buy it from there. So first I started by sketching the pop art that I wanted to make. I am making a girl peeking through a hole. As you guys can see, I have used very light pencil, and I would suggest using light pencil because light pencils are easy to erase. After I was done sketching, I first painted her face using acrylic colors, as you can see. So next I started painting her lips and nails using bright colored brush pens. As you know, this is pop art, we can use as bright colors as we want. So I am using red for her lips and nails. You can use any other color if you want. Next I colored her eyes using the blue color. If you guys want, you guys can follow the lead as I am doing with her eyes. I have shaded half part of her eyes dark and the half part of her eyes light to give it a real look, as you can see. Next, using my all-time favorite eyeliner, I started coloring her eyebrows and giving outline to her eyes and lips and the other areas. I've also given very nice shade to her lashes, as you can see. It is very easy to shade with this liner, so I would suggest using a liner. I love this eyeliner. I'll link it down in the description box if it is available online, and if you guys want to buy it, you can buy it from there. Next I colored the outer part of the hole from where she's peeking with the brown color. You guys can use any other color if you want. I like brown, so I use brown. And then I colored her hair, as she's a blonde, so I have colored her hair yellow. And the last thing I did was to make the background. So I made the background same as the last one using orange and yellow color. And this is the final result. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell icon so you guys will get updated whenever I update a video. And if you guys want to buy my resin art, I'll link it down in the description box below. You guys can contact me there through Insta. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.